Hey guys, welcome back to the Wolfpack, and today I bring you a
Hi guys.
an unboxing that I bought today. Tomorrow we're gonna go fishing, and I bring you fishing gear. Okay, not part of my channel, but hey, I gotta make something new with my channel.
Hey guys, it's Zarek here. No, sorry. Okay. I hope you subscribe to his channel, and yeah, we're not matching.
Okay, whatever. So let's start off with the first unboxing. I have here a big, huge, well, it's pretty massive.
It's a fishing gear.
Fishing rod right here, some fishing gear right here, there's a tackle box, and some, there's, what was it, baits? Is that what it is? Power bait, yeah. So let's get this unboxing started. Do you want to show me yourself, Zarek?
Yeah, I have a few things after you see the back right here. So yeah, I got a few things to show you guys, and I hope you love it, like it, share it, and everything you can, and subscribe to me, Uzi's channel, and follow me on Facebook. Follow Uzio on Facebook too, and we'll send you updates what we caught probably tomorrow. We'll probably make a video. We don't know, so yeah. If you guys like it, love it, share it, everything you can, and enjoy. Okay, I'm gonna start with the first unboxing. This week got some
Floaties. Some floaties or bobs.
yeah, some bobbers from the Evil Company. You can't see. If you can, but right now we are alright, so this is the first unboxing. Just put that on the side. Yeah. And yeah. Sorry. And
Our
so we
sister.
have
Big
So-
shout out to our sister. Yeah.
okay, so what we have right here for the second unboxing is actually it's a nice it's a no lip from Flicker Co. These guys make shads. What a shad is actually what this little guy has. If you haven't seen, he has like two hooks right here, and they make a sound. You hear that? The shad. And yeah, so we're gonna put that to the side. And yeah, so have you opened up that box yet?
Yeah, I opened up the box. I'm gonna bring you some of the weights, the fishing hooks, some bait. So, yeah. It's not much right there. Right here is some baits. Up here some weights.
What is that styrofoam
Styrofoam?
in
Oh.
oh. I want
So right here's some
Straight
bait.
back here.
Here's some bait. Here is
Those are pretty much.
hooks. This is bait with hooks.
It looks like shrimp.
Oh,
The ghost shrimp that we fish and
right
sea.
here is some worm hooks, some weights, and some beetle blades.
Okay, moving on, because
Moving on.
Lucio's not very good. So what I have is actually a 2-ratio gear. If I'm wrong, please tell me down in the comments below. Actually, it's a pretty good one, you know. This probably is a 2-ratio, but, yeah. Nice color, which I got for the fishing rod in the back, which is our next unboxing. This is actually my dad's. And yeah, kind of messed it up in the future. I mean, in the past. But, you know, you'll see. It's a nice thing. I can't believe it. It's, you know, nice. It has a thing for the thing reader. And, yeah. So, put that inside. Well, I have part of my next unboxing is actually this.
Oh man.
This is actually the thing that I got in when it was on my birthday pretty much. And this, you know, I did catch a decent fish with this. I only have caught one recently when I went fishing for the first time here in the United States. I fished in Mexico. That was my first time. And what came with it? It was a gear ratio of 2. I don't know. It's like the same thing as the last thing, but this one's nicer. It's actually flipped. It has a little flipper thingamajigger, and it's actually really nice and it sounds really good. And what I like about it, actually, I love how it has a nice birch feel on the wood right here. Yeah, there's no laminated. I will not like laminated. It's wood. But it's all fiberglass.
This right here is a power bait tackle box or something like that. Oh shoot. Hey, I can see you on my tablet. Oh, cool. So yeah, this is a power bait rigging guide. Pretty cool. Got some instructions. It's a small little tackle box as well. Here's just some information about how I could fish or some techniques. Oh shoot. I don't care about that. So
that's actually okay. So what I have is okay, careful, do not break that stuff. We bought it. It's not in game. Okay, so what I have is okay. So what we have is my bait box
or tackle box.
Yeah, my tackle box. Yeah.
Again, it's brought to you by Shakespeare Fishing Corp. Box. Go. Shut the hell up.
Okay, I have my bait box. My bait box. See, hello. It has everything we're included in the box, and I got everything, and what I have in it, which I'm gonna show at the end.
Yeah. You said beat box.
Yeah.
Beat box and bait box. But here, smell like fish. Kind of bad. And this is a more bait powered thing.
What does it have?
It has 5 watermelon shaky worms and 6 pump seed lizards. Yeah! Yeah! I'm gonna eat those later.
You can't eat those. Those are meant for fish.
I know!
Oh, yes.
Oh, shoot.
I will actually especially to use worms every time when you're fishing, just or corn or whatever. But this is my method of starting. You go fishing.
The next unboxing is fish.
It's a shad. It's another shad. What is it? What does it say on the box?
It says it's a fishing thing.
No, what is it?
Oh god, where is it? I got it. Oh, there it is. Okay. So, sorry I dropped it.
It's a shad, pretty much. It's another shad. Exactly like this one.
Yeah.
Let's make some sound. Let's make a band. 1, 2, ready, go.
Yeah.
Okay.
For our next unboxing, I got here. Oh shit! Look, it's way more different than yours.
Yeah. Whoa. I think
it's pretty heavy.
Is it? Let me see.
I
can't be showing that.
it just comes with the fishing.
Yeah.
This is just
There's another.
It's mine.
Well, pretty much. I'll compare ours.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, this is like the same thing, but let's see. There's no.
It's like
yours looks higher. I thought it was the same.
Probably.
But this was just another ratio fishing reel, and this one actually looks nice. Look, watch. Ready? Ready? Oh, we gotta bend it. Okay. I'm gonna get this.
No way. You bet it. Yeah. Done. Oh shoot! Look, it's Benji right here.
Don't
That's
mind
a
my
ghost.
sister, because she's
a ghost. Dead to us. I'm just kidding.
Okay, I hope this, yeah, succeed. Alright, here goes so much. You know, this is actually pretty good.
Bro, there's
a camera in the tree.
Yeah. Oh shoot.
Don't be saying bad words, you know.
Oh, this can't fit.
Okay, moving on to the next unboxing.
Oh dang, I got it.
You know, who cares? You know, screw this. I'm just gonna fix it later. Okay, so the last unboxing, which contains like a lot of unboxings, which, you know, yeah. If you have OCD, I do not care. I do not care.
You don't care, do you?
I'm having these reels and the last unboxing. Actually, I should show this. You've all been waiting for. Okay, this is just fishing line. Bobbers.
Did we mention that we got these bobbers too?
Yeah.
These are pretty large.
We have flying. Oh
What,
my god.
What else is pretty loud? What else is pretty
We're
large?
trying to make a YouTube video. These are fly lures, which pretty much fish in line. I have a gummy. What's it called? Actually have a.
These are like
These look
these
like
are
maggots,
grubs.
but-
These are grubs.
Grubs. There we go. These are grubs, but those are tiny versions. Eat it. Stop. Okay. I gotta go real fast. Okay. Here, I'm just gonna show you like this. You can see everything. I hope you can. See, you can see everything. We here, that right there, that's not a sand flea. It's a lobster. That right there is a that green one is a grasshopper.
And this one is frog. There's
those things. Yeah. And then I have the same lizard pumpkin things. See, they don't make any sound because they're just things.
Same thing
And
like this.
And then probably the last thing is this is for taking fish things. It looks like shove something in your eyeball. Okay. Right here I have more baits. You know, more gummy, more. You can never go wrong with too many hooks.
And this is a thing.
And here's more fly fishing things which I wouldn't use. I would suggest fly fishing in the river. And this is for casting your bait and showing it off to everyone. And you're like, yeah, I got fish.
Cynthia, tell us a joke. What else is big?
Come on.
Okay.
And this is like the coolest one. This sponsoring, because it's sponsoring so many people. I'm sponsoring Bud Light. I'm sorry, but you know, it's alright. You know, it has a hook underneath it. You probably can't see. I should probably toss it up your face. I hope you catch it. Yeah. Sorry, Timmy. I know you have to go to the hospital. But yes, this is all for a wrap. So, would you like to say anything?
I don't got nothing to say. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. Like the video if you like it. Put a comment down below.
And this will be
we do next.
This will be uploaded on Uza's channel. I can't do any video channel things. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Love to share everything you can. And subscribe to Uza. Put a comment down below. And yeah,
And subscribe to my brother's channel. Follow him on Facebook.
Yeah, just follow me. Yeah, just follow me.
Yeah, because I don't use my Facebook. So, that's all to it. This thing is going out the trash tonight.
Ow.
This too.
Okay, we'll see you guys. Peace.